Hey! Make your hand big. It is served in form of honor, favor, joy in every angle of your life. Because today is 22nd day of March 2025, and we are giving you title in this palace. Bulu Bulu title. Everybody say Bulu Bulu title. It means the title that can be valid in every part of the world. This neck bead will serve in form of honor, protection, serious protection in every angle of your life from today. You will use the hand fan to blow out every negativity from your way. Disappointment, sickness, lacunas, stagnancy, rise and falling. You will find them and see them no more. Amen. This is the cap of honor. This is the nza. Sorry. Attraction. You will use it to attract every good thing you can think of in your life, in your family. The God of Israel who will bless you in a special way. Amen. This is the cap of honor. Man and woman shall honor you. Amen. Evil spirits, you must be honored, both spiritual and physically. Yes, ma'am. Hey. That's not. The chieftaincy name, somebody should help us please. Is High Chief Ugosimba Afro Nanya 1. Ugosimba Afro Nanya 1. Bulu Bulu.